Okay, hi guys. So I'm finally home and I had a bunch of packages waiting for me, so I'm gonna try to do videos back to back to try to, have them up on my YouTube. Anyway, this haul is from Cartwright Sequins. I've ordered from them like a couple months ago, but after seeing Nurse Tara's YouTube of like, I like how she zoomed in, showed you the colors, showed you the shapes. So I was like, ooh, I need some of those colors. So of course I made another little purchase. Oh, sorry about the camera. So this is the white opaque crystal. As you can see on the white, it definitely has like a pinky undertone. I really liked it. And this is like a normal looking sequin, as some of these are considered confetti. So see how they're like flat with like a ribbed edge compared to like the normal regular looking sequins. I liked this, and these are perfect for shakers. This is Oceanside mix, super pretty and very mermaidy. Then I got this TLC color. It's blue and then like it shines, all the crazy colors, pinks and yellows and oranges. Super pretty. It's a couple shades darker than the Oceanside, as you can see them side by side. Very, very pretty. Love them. Then I got this one, which is Cabana Blue. It's definitely got more of a green, a greeny yellow undertone to it. See the comparison of all three. All are very, very pretty. Then I got this pale ocean blue confetti. It's more of a, it is definitely a pale blue, but it's very like, it says blue green. So it's not a baby blue, it's more of a like, I don't know, minty, not minty, because it's definitely not green. I don't know how to describe it, but it's pretty. Then I got this periwinkle. It's the crystal opaque confetti. And look at it, it's shimmers pink. It's purple, but it shines the really pretty pink. Loved that one. Then I got the regular gold metallic confetti. I should have got another one of these. I thought I had two in my cart, but apparently not. I am on a no spend this month, so all of my hauls coming up are from when I was on vacation and doing online orders. This one is a pale peach in an 8mm. I think my favorite size is definitely like a 6mm sequin. And then there's like really little 4mm. So this one's the pale peach, same thing. One's 4mm and one is 6mm. These ones, I noticed the smaller the sequins, the more like static electricity there is. Like you try getting this out of the bag and you see all these little like the centers of the sequins, those stick everywhere and get everywhere. The bigger ones are much easier to work with. So that's pale peach 8mm, even though this is a little bit darker than this. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's more my nail color, and this one's like a true peach in the smaller versions. Then I got pale peach. So this one is satin. Is that why that one's darker? Okay, yes. So these ones are satin. See how it says cupped satin? And then these ones are cupped opaque. So that's why they're a little bit lighter. So I definitely like the opaque version versus the satin. I still like this a lot. I like that color. But for peach color, definitely, these ones are more peachy. These ones are more like tropically orangey. Then I got this primrose color. It's like a, it's definitely like a bright pink, as you guys can see. But then like once it moves, it's like the color of my nail, like an orangey, peachy color. Super pretty. I loved that one too. Then I got this white crystal opaque confetti. Again, there's no holes punched out in the confetti. They're just like little discs, basically. And I do think that these videos are helpful because I'm not gonna lie, the website is a little overwhelming, like not in a bad way, but there's just so many options, so many sizes, so many like this says confetti. These are cupped sequins, and there's like half cup sequins, slightly cupped. So like it'll break it down into like the shape, the size, the colors, and you can click on it, but there's so many pages. It's like you don't know what to get, and you know, the monitor doesn't always tell you the right color. Anyway, so this is Atmosphere. It has like a pink undertone. It's Atmosphere Crystal Opaque Confetti. As you can see, like towards these mermaidy looking ones, that this one's a very like bluish purple pink tones when they shimmer. Very pretty. And then the last one I got is this Ballerina Pink Confetti Mix. And these are the flat discs. And this definitely has like a yellow undertone. But it's super pretty. Do you guys see these? Like, I just love all things shiny. Like, and that's what birds like. Birds like shiny stuff. They'll like put that stuff in their nest. So yeah, I'm totally like a bird when it comes to that. I love shiny stuff. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.